初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
How much is this?
How much is this?
这个多少钱？
How much is this?
How much is this?
Do you have more sizes?
Do you have more sizes?
你们有更多尺码吗？
Do you have more sizes?
Do you have more sizes?
I need a smaller size.
I need a smaller size.
我需要小一点的尺码。
I need a smaller size.
I need a smaller size.
I need a bigger size.
I need a bigger size.
我需要大一点的尺码。
I need a bigger size.
I need a bigger size.
Do you have other colors?
Do you have other colors?
你们有其他颜色吗？
Do you have other colors?
Do you have other colors?
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
我可以试穿这个吗？
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
试衣间在哪里？
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
It fits me well.
It fits me well.
它很合我身。
It fits me well.
It fits me well.
It's a bit tight.
It's a bit tight.
有点紧。
It's a bit tight.
It's a bit tight.
It's too loose.
It's too loose.
太松了。
It's too loose.
It's too loose.
I like this one.
I like this one.
我喜欢这个。
I like this one.
I like this one.
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
我要这个。
I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
Let me think a bit.
Let me think a bit.
让我考虑一下。
Let me think a bit.
Let me think a bit.
Can you check the price?
Can you check the price?
你能查一下价格吗？
Can you check the price?
Can you check the price?
Is there a discount today?
Is there a discount today?
今天有折扣吗？
Is there a discount today?
Is there a discount today?
Do you offer coupons?
Do you offer coupons?
你们提供优惠券吗？
Do you offer coupons?
Do you offer coupons?
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
我可以退货吗？
Can I return this?
Can I return this?
What's your return policy?
What's your return policy?
你们的退货政策是什么？
What's your return policy?
What's your return policy?
I want a refund.
I want a refund.
我想要退款。
I want a refund.
I want a refund.
I need an exchange.
I need an exchange.
我需要换货。
I need an exchange.
I need an exchange.
Do you accept cards?
Do you accept cards?
你们接受信用卡吗？
Do you accept cards?
Do you accept cards?
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
我可以用现金支付吗？
Can I pay by cash?
Can I pay by cash?
Do you take debit cards?
Do you take debit cards?
你们接受借记卡吗？
Do you take debit cards?
Do you take debit cards?
Where is the checkout?
Where is the checkout?
收银台在哪里？
Where is the checkout?
Where is the checkout?
I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking around.
我只是随便看看。
I'm just looking around.
I'm just looking around.
I don't need help now.
I don't need help now.
我现在不需要帮助。
I don't need help now.
I don't need help now.
Can you help me find this?
Can you help me find this?
你能帮我找到这个吗？
Can you help me find this?
Can you help me find this?
Do you have this brand?
Do you have this brand?
你们有这个品牌吗？
Do you have this brand?
Do you have this brand?
I can't find my size.
I can't find my size.
我找不到我的尺码。
I can't find my size.
I can't find my size.
This looks really nice.
This looks really nice.
这个看起来真不错。
This looks really nice.
This looks really nice.
This is too expensive.
This is too expensive.
这个太贵了。
This is too expensive.
This is too expensive.
Any cheaper options available?
Any cheaper options available?
有更便宜的选择吗？
Any cheaper options available?
Any cheaper options available?
I want something similar.
I want something similar.
我想要类似的东西。
I want something similar.
I want something similar.
Can you show me more?
Can you show me more?
你能给我看更多吗？
Can you show me more?
Can you show me more?
I love this style.
I love this style.
我喜欢这个风格。
I love this style.
I love this style.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
我还不确定。
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
I'll come back later.
I'll come back later.
我稍后再来。
I'll come back later.
I'll come back later.
Do you sell this online?
Do you sell this online?
你们在网上卖这个吗？
Do you sell this online?
Do you sell this online?
Can you check the stock?
Can you check the stock?
你能查一下库存吗？
Can you check the stock?
Can you check the stock?
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thanks for your help.
Thanks for your help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。